A little louder, babe.
Thank you so much for coming to the 26th annual play of Santa on Track. We hope you enjoy it, and thank you.
The place is the courtroom in Irvine, California. The case is People versus Santa Claus and his elf. The courtroom is packed with interested spectators. The prosecuting attorney and Mr. Claus's office lawyer await the entrance of the judge who will hear this case.
All rise.
You have to stand.
The first Easter court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Valentine is presiding. Be seated. The case before us is People versus Santa Claus and his elf. Is the defendant represented by counsel?
Yes, he is, Your Honor.
The bailiff read the charges. The defendant is hereby accused of breaking the following violations. 1. Breaking and entering. 2. Cruelty to animals. 3. Violation of the California Health Code on weight control. 5. Violation of federal mail regulations. And 6. Violation of the anti-smoking law. How does the defendant plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Is the state ready to visit its case?
Ready, Your Honor. We will dispense any opening remarks to the jury. Your Honor, since December 24, time is important to many jurors.
Proceed, Ned. Call your first witness to the stand. Mr. Halby to the stand. Put your left hand on the book, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
State your name.
Mr. Halsey, be seated.
Mr. Halsey,
Will you state why you with the State Office of Nutrition and Health is disturbed by this man? Just look at him. He's too fat. Being that overweight can cause heart trouble. He's a poor example to young people who assume that fat people are happy and jolly.
But since he has to be fat, when he rides through the cold winter night, his extra fat keeps him warm.
Yeah, and then he goes home tired and has to sleep for a long time. Boy, I bet he's skinny when he wakes up in the street.
I will not stand for such an outburst of this court. Order!
As the trial continues, other witnesses come out to speak against Santa Claus and his elf. The prosecuting attorney calls a detective to tell the jurors what breaking and entering is.
I now call Detective Marcus to the stand. Put your left hand on the book, raise your right hand, and repeat after me. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
State your name.
Detective Vargas. Your Honor, this man quietly slips into houses through chimneys. That is a clear case of breaking and entering in my book.
Wait! He never broke into my house. People do what my kids and I do. We leave out cookies and hot chocolate. We even leave out carrots for his reindeer. So he's a guest, not a burglar. Right. I've warned you before. If there's any more outbursts from the crowd, I'll have the courtroom clear. Order! Continue with your witness.
As a detective, are you aware of any cruelty to animals done by this man? He cracks a whip at his reindeer.
Oh, come on. I mean, I've heard he calls his reindeer by their own names. Now Dasher, now Vixen. He'd have to love them to call them by name.
But Your Honor, even you can't deny that Santa and his elf violated the state secret White Act. He brings dolls to girls and trucks to boys. Strictly born as chauvinists.
Oh no. Last year my granddaughter Sally got a tractor for Christmas just like she asked for. My other granddaughter got a tractor because she wanted one. So, Mr. Matthew, let's drop the charge. What about this charge that the defendant has broken the anti-smoking law?
That, Your Honor, is obvious. Everyone knows that Santa blows smoke on his head like a leaf. I wish to call Santa to the stand.
I now call Santa Claus and his elf to the stand. tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God?
I do.
State your names. I don't really have a name. Just call me Elf, okay? Okay, Elf, Mr. Claus.
Santa Claus. I can't deny that I smoked a pipe.
No, you can't ask for the last child. You asked that you ask children to lie to you, can you?
Your Honor, I object. The prosecuting attorney is badgering my client.
It's okay, I can handle this. Right, let us meet.
How else would my little elf and I know what's in my fridge for Christmas?
Ho, ho, ho! Yeah, how else would we know? See, Your Honor, they admit it, but they give children no specific address. Some are addressed to Santaland, others to the North Pole, some merely to Santa Claus. Plus, there are no zip codes on any letters. How the old post office to deliver such mail, Your Honor?
Oh,
Come on! That's not so bad! Order, I say. He also uses elf labor, pays less than the minimum wage. He also dares come here dressed in velvet and fur. I repeat, fur!
As the judge tries to quiet the courtroom, no one notices as Santa lights up his pipe and goes to make a smoke and laugh. Ho, ho, ho! Then lays a finger on his nose and...
Look over
And Santa and his elf are gone. The judge, juries, and attorneys look about in disbelief. At last, the judge speaks.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, thank you for your time. This case is dismissed for lack of evidence and lack of defendant.